Excuse me. Where is your mother?
I don't know, maybe she is in the toilet. Why are you looking for my mother? Do you want to sell your fried banana here?
That's right.
Where is your mom? A long time no see her.
She is not well lately because she works hard every day.
Give my regards to your mom, please.
Thanks. Where should I put my fried banana?
Put it there, please. I heard your mother fell off first. What happened?
Yeah, there are so many pests. It's really hard to use the compost. We want to use an organic fertilizer, but it is expensive now.
Oh, I see. Please wait for a moment. There is something I need to do in the kitchen.
Okay.
What subject do we get for the session? We get a math. Oh my god, I haven't done my homework yet. I don't want to go to class.
Let's make turn. Can't you see there is someone who is standing over there? I'm afraid she will report us to the teacher.
Just calm down. She won't dare to do it. Look at her now. Listen to me. If you dare to inform the teacher about this, I will kill you.
Do you know why are you employed here?
I think you miss us, right?
Why do you did fly twin? Listen carefully. If I get report about it again, I'm going to call your parent here. Do you get it?
Yes, we do.
Let's report us to the teacher. She is so brave.
Well, I suspect Bella because at the same time, she was the only one at the canteen.
How dare to report us to the teacher?
That's happen if we give the nerd a change.
How about we give her a gift as a reward?
A gift? What's the present?
A dream life. Let's go. You are the one who have reported us as a teacher, right?
What do you mean? We don't report anything.
Don't act innocent. I know you are the one who report us to the teacher.
It's really, I don't know.
You don't like it too. You're the only one or perfection in canteen.
Just wait till I make your life miserable.
Are you okay? Let's go to the toilet. Hi Bella, why do you wear this coat?
I have already spilled a drink, so I wear it. Next, we get physical education, so I change my uniform now.
Alright, next team be careful please.
Guys, today the teacher has ceremony at his home. So you guys just keep playing.
Belle, do you want setting the ball?
Alright.
want to put yourself in the spotlight.
What do you mean? I can do like that.
Don't give me the reason.
You should not do it to your friend.
Well, she is not our friend.
Oh, stupid people like them make me tired. Let's go back to class.
Let's go.
Are you okay, Belle?
That's fine, I'm okay. Let's just go back to the class.
Please pay attention for a moment. Before teaching, I'm going to give you the rest of the text of Don Recipe. I hope all of will come down for a meal. Ladies, Sinta, next Raditya, next Ari, next Aletha, next Pania, next Shirley, next Bella. This is crucial. Bella get a good score. You can learning together with her if you want to be successful in the future. Yes, Miss. Well, please have a seat, Bella.
Oh my god, so wild all people.
Share. Do you think what I think?
Am I right?
Oh, of course you are. You're so good.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Oh, look at that. Just see it tomorrow. You will know. Let's go.
Please, give me more time to pay the debt. I'm still collecting the money to pay. Alright. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mom, I got to school now.
Belle, be careful on the way.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye. Come in, please. Have a seat, please.
Yeah, thank you.
I believe that you must be understand why I call you come here. You did bully your friend Bella. Viral in social media. What do you want? Unfortunately, the victim doesn't report to the police.
Where do you get the video?
According to the school rule, all you should be out of the school.
Wait, what? Sir, please give us a chance. We promise we don't do it again.
Please give them a concession. I have already forgive them, sir.
Are you sure that you won't be bullied by them anymore?
I believe it, sir.
Alright. I'll give you 2 weeks. I hope you can do introspection to yourself. If you do it again, you'll be out of the school. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. We're going to be a good person, sir.
Okay. You may go home and back to the school in 2 weeks later.
Okay, sir.
Bella, you are so kind and patient. I feel so sorry.
I'm so sorry, Bella.
Don't mention it. I don't want you go out from the school. Clara is going to tell something to you.
What is it?
Actually, I reported that you did it.
It doesn't matter.
Oh my god, you did it?
Let's go home first before she has been driven out.
Yeah, okay.
Taste the snacks, please.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Oh, Belle, you have already come. Your friends have been waiting here.
Belle, we're terrible sorry. Yeah, it's all our fault. Please don't be mad at us.
We already have done our mistake, so we are going to help you in the field during our suspension.
What happened to you?
The story is very long, Mom.
Are you sure that you can help us in our fields?
Actually,
No, we don't. We are serious to help you.
I'm proud of you. You are so kind-hearted. Belle, please change your clothes before going to the fields.
Okay, Mom.
Well, let's go together.
Go, 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 go.
teman-teman semuanya. Jadi syuting kita sekarang sudah selesai. Banyak yang kita lalui saat syuting ini, mulai dari keluhan-keluhan atau semacamnya. Jadi proyek ini sudah selesai, sudah kami jalankan dengan baik semuanya. Jadi kita tunggu hasilnya nanti ya teman-teman. Terima kasih.
Semoga kalian puas.
Ya.
Semoga kalian puas ya. Ya, subscribe, like dan komen. Oh my god.
Ibu.
Terima kasih anak-anak atas partisipasi dan semangat anak-anak. Anak-anak sudah bekerja dengan baik semaksimal mungkin. Beginilah proyek bagaimana belajar langsung anak-anak terjun ke lingkungan. Tidak hanya belajar di sekolah saja, ya. Anak-anak bisa belajar dari pengalaman yang anak kerjakan dari kemarin sampai sekarang. Mudah-mudahan videonya cukup berjalan dengan baik dan hasilnya bagus.
Ya.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.